Alright, so I'm back with another video, man. I told y'all, new video for every day into the 25th, I believe, something like that. That's how vlogmas work. So I'm back with another video. So make sure you like the video, make sure you comment on the video, make sure you subscribe for more content as I'll have more videos coming out soon, you already know. Support a black business owner. You know what I'm saying? Support a black business owner. Because that's what y'all need to do. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm gonna come out with some good videos. So yeah, let's get started into the video. 180 wave conditioners. So you know what I'm saying? Make sure you watch all the way through so you can get your wave spinning at all times. We're not missing no days, not missing no days. You already know how I come in. If I say I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna do it. So I'm trying to make sure this, I'm trying to do this before 12:01 because it's gonna be the next day. And I got another vlog coming, so I'm vlogging every day, you know, already know. So make sure y'all go like, comment, subscribe, because I'm gonna have videos coming out every day until Christmas. So just go ahead and check me out on that. But in this video, probably slow down a little bit so I can make sure I get 10 minutes. So this video, I don't think it's gonna be like edited at all or whatever. I got a hat on because, you know, like a lazy day for me, like I'm gonna need a lazy day. So y'all really can't see the waves for right now, but I'll probably insert some clips, show you what my hair looks like when I'm actually, you know, done with everything. So, but in this video, I really wanted to talk about leave-in conditioners. Talk about leave-in conditioners for 180 waves, man. So leave-in conditioners. Make sure it's in focus. My camera, this camera be tripping, bro. All right, so leave-in conditioners for 180 waves is very, very important, you guys. I know a lot of you guys think that you can say that you don't have certain products where you're at. I get that question a lot, or I get that answer a lot. It's like, oh, I don't have products here. You need a leave-in conditioner. I don't really care where you're living at. You can use a natural leave-in conditioner. You can use olive oil. Like you can go, you use that to cook. So I'm really planning on doing like a mask, a hair mask for 180 waves. So that way you can make it, it'll be like all natural and all that. And it'll be like no crazy products or nothing like that. It's gonna be very, very straight to the point. I'm really thinking about, I'm gonna do like a natural mask for you guys, show you what I'll put in it, and that way you can get your hair quality up to par. But you really can't use where you're from as an excuse not to have certain products. You gotta have like leave-in conditioners. You gotta have leave-in conditioners. You gotta be on your stuff. You know what I'm saying? You gotta be on your stuff, bro. If you try to do waves, any waver will tell you you gotta be on your P's and Q's. You gotta be on your grind. You know what I'm saying? This is not a joke. I can say that because me having waves has opened up doors for me, you know, getting views and all that. So waves is a very, very important thing, very, very serious. A lot of people do not understand the power of waves. Like waves is a big thing. So, you know, a lot of people want waves. So having it is really, really a job. You know what I'm saying? It's like a full-time job. So one of the things I really want to talk about was leave-in conditioners. This is like one of my favorite leave-in conditioners. It's not really my favorite consistency of it. Like it's not really my favorite on that. I kind of like grease. But to be honest, like this has been very helpful. It's very seamless when I put it in my hair. Like it just automatically moisturizes my hair. Like I really don't have to worry about it. And to be honest, I could just throw this on. I could throw this on my hair and put a do-rag on. I'm good. So it's very, very, this is very, very good for, you know, put on your hair if you're trying to make sure you got waves, make sure your hair is moisturized, leave it shiny, leave it clean, all that type of stuff. So you don't have to have this one specifically. I know you guys are like in the comments below, well, I can't get this. You have to figure out what works for you. You have to figure out what works for you with what you have. You know what I'm saying? When I first started, I was really on trying to find anything I could have. Like, you know what I'm saying? Whether it be like my girl has something and I was like, all right, boom. Let me use her stuff. You know what I'm saying? Or I see stuff laying around, I'm like, let me use it. You know what I'm saying? It don't hurt for you to use a product you don't know. Just like read it and figure out it's like the right stuff. But leave-in conditioners are important, man. You gotta stop worrying about brushing sometimes and make sure your hair is healthy, and having good products is gonna help. Having leave-in conditioners is gonna set you over the top. So just think about that. Like when you're doing your hair or whatever, and I'm gonna take my head off. And I'm gonna put that back on. Put my hat back on. So you know, when you're going through your routine, just be like, Josh said I need a leave-in conditioner. Let me make sure I get a good leave-in conditioner. So whether that be, this is Mixed Chicks. I made a video about Mixed Chicks like a long time ago. I made a video about Mixed Chicks, but yeah, this works good. You know, Mixed Chicks, you can do argan oil. You can do that. You can do Shea Moisture. Shea Moisture has an entire line, but you don't have to spend a lot of money, man. Just really do your research. And I'm coming out with a video on research on that. I really want to research the different types of conditioners in different countries, like really show you like this is what you can use if you're here, if you're on different parts of the world. I really want to do that because I get that question a lot, and a lot of people are telling me that they don't have it where they're at. So just keep that in mind. Make sure you have a good conditioner. Make sure you have a quality conditioner, because it's going to show. It's going to show. Like if you do not condition your hair well, it's going to show, man. I'm telling you. So but yeah, so let me see if I can show y'all this too. See if I can show y'all this. So I also use this. I always show y'all this. I show y'all this, man. I make sure y'all are using it. Make sure y'all are using what I tell y'all. You don't have to use exactly what I'm saying, but make sure y'all you're using a leave-in conditioner, man. You want to make sure. Oh, it smells so good. This smells good. I think this one smells better than this one. This one smells pretty good too. But yeah, so just make sure you have a good leave-in conditioner. You can do, you know, it's not really, you don't have to be too, come on you guys, you don't have to be too, it don't have to be perfect, you know what I'm saying? I think a lot of y'all are chasing perfection too quickly, but it don't have to be perfect, man, like for real. I get my haircut tomorrow. That might be good. That might be another video. Oh, for vlogmas, I can get my haircut. I probably won't show y'all me getting my hair. Anyway, back to this. So yeah, just make sure you have a, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you're not trying to be a perfectionist. Oh, I need to take my own advice on this. Let me take my own advice on this. But yeah, make sure you're not, don't be, with your waves, don't be perfectionist. You know what I'm saying? Like, I know you guys want progress really quickly, but just learn. Even if you're not brushing the right way, even if you're not doing everything exactly 100% right, the fact that you're doing it is still good. You know what I'm saying? You're still making progress. Little progress is still progress. That's my biggest thing. You know what I'm saying? Like, and everything like that. So don't be a perfectionist. Just really work on you. Work on what works for you. Work on, you know, work on being like educated on, make sure there ain't nothing in my eye, because it's always something in my eye. It's always something in my eye. But yeah, make sure you are educated in whatever you want to do. You know what I'm saying? That's what I recommend to you. I'm not here spinning bars, but yeah, man, just know it doesn't have to be perfect. Your products don't have to be perfect, but just do your research. You can watch YouTube videos on the type of products that are in your area too, but just make sure you're using a leave-in conditioner. Make sure you have a leave-in, please. If you're watching this video, do not exit out the video until you have a leave-in conditioner, until you get one. You need to make sure you have that. It's gonna be a good $2 investment that you can get. How do you do that? My way is probably trash, bro. My way is not really trash right now, but like, get a leave-in conditioner. Oh, that's like, wait, focus. It's never in focus, my guy. Come on. Leave-in conditioner. Boom. Boom. Right here. Boom. Alright, so I should get it. I think that's how you do a thumbnail. I see people doing that. I think that's how you do it. But yeah, that's the end of the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. I'll be back with another video. You guys already know it's every day. So I'm out. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.